The Indian Parliament began its winter session on Monday. As the government prepares to debate key bills on tax policies and foreign investment, this session is set to be crucial for Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he seeks to bolster economic reforms set out for his administration. A report.
Starting from Monday, India's parliament will have to move through a heavy legislative agenda with a total of 37 bills set for discussion. The month-long parliamentary session will last for 22 working days until December 23rd. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed confidence that this session will be as productive as the previous budget session.
देश की जनता ने हमें सरकार चलाने का जिम्मा दिया है, लेकिन संसद में बैठने वाले सबको देश चलाने का जिम्मा दिया है। पिछले सत्र में विपक्ष की सकारात्मक भूमिका के कारण बहुत ही अच्छे काम हुए थे। इस बार भी वैसा ही अनुभव रहेगा, ऐसा मुझे पूरा भरोसा है।
One of the key priorities for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party government is the passage of the GST bill. The bill seeks to amend the constitution in order to introduce a uniform national goods and services tax. The administration is also looking into raising the limits on foreign direct investment for the insurance sector. An insurance bill would allow for foreign investment in the sector to be increased from 26% to 49%. But opposition parties are closing ranks to ensure no easy path for the Modi government.
There has been no pickup in the economic activity. There has been unprecedented activity on the international border and the line of control. The internal security situation has deteriorated. So therefore, under those circumstances, this parliament session should provide an opportunity to all the opposition parties, especially the secular and progressive opposition parties, to bust the myth and the bluster of this government.
The BJP has set up an ambitious agenda for the month-long session. While the ruling party has a majority in the lower house, it lacks the necessary numbers in the upper house. It will thus need to find a political support from the opposition Congress party to push through several key bills. Avneet Arora for South Asia Newsline in New Delhi.